Guys, let's go to city of Ekurhuleni. Olan is back on the mood. So let's see what's going on from Daveyton.
Sanibonani mzansi. Namhlanje sila ePinoni. Sibhizi silwisana namazamazama terrorize umphakathi. Sizwana boGhada, we've discovered and recovered a firearm, nama-explosives, namanye ama-suspects. So siyaspana bafethu, taking back our streets, taking back our minds, taking back our community, because Labandaba, they are bullying us because of the criminals. They terrorize people and they destroy businesses. Our businesses that are should be employing people. Ama minor paya retrench because of kunabantu abatshontsha mineral. Kulum.
Lengson.
Gama lakho bani?
Lengson.
Lengson.
Yes.
Wenza yini la? Azama peace job. Kancane kancane.
Yes.
Yakho thengisa golide.
Yeah,
Uthengisela bani golide baya?
yeah, it's
Bani?
Kamaje ndiyazi. Kamaje Mbewu.
Umbewa from Zimbabwe. Uhlala kuphi?
Daveyton.
Daveyton.